This book's sole purpose is to help you convert TradingView alerts into actual orders. This book is not a comprehensive guide to what Python can do, nor is it a book that explains winning trading techniques. This book focuses on the sole purpose of running automated trading yourself, and explains only the basics you need in the shortest possible time. What you'll be able to do by the end of this book. By the end of this book, you'll be able to do the following 4 things. Receive TradingView alerts in Python. Be able to read and understand JSON. Submit actual orders to OANDA. Be able to explain why something is working. Receive TradingView alerts in Python. TradingView offers excellent chart analysis and strategy features. However, TradingView alone cannot automatically place orders. That's where webhooks come in. This book explains the following from the perspective of just getting it working. As a result, you'll be able to reproduce the TradingView Python communication in your own environment. Learn to read and understand JSON. All data sent via TradingView's webhook is in JSON format. JSON can often be a major hurdle for beginners, but its structure is actually very simple. This book focuses on explaining only the parts necessary for placing orders. What JSON represents. How it is handled in Python. How to interpret TradingView's JSON. By the end of this book, you'll be able to explain for yourself whether this JSON is a buy or a sell. Learn to submit actual orders to OANDA. This book uses OANDA Global as the broker. The reason is simple. The API is publicly available. The documentation is comprehensive. Easy to use even for individuals. In this book, we will implement the following with the minimum configuration. The OANDA API concept. How to use an API key. How to place an order from Python. With a single market order. At this point, you will reach the point where you have actually placed an order using a system you created yourself. Be able to explain why something works. The most dangerous thing about automated trading is when it works, but you don't really understand it. In this book, we will explain in words why a webhook is needed. Why Python is used. Why orders can be placed via an API. Without leaving it as a black box, we will always explain in words. As a result, you will be able to determine, if this part stops working, I should suspect this. What this book will not cover. Let me be clear from the start. This book will not cover the following topics. Winning trading logic. Investment theory and market analysis. Optimal money management solutions. Advanced Python grammar. The reason is simple. These are separate issues from running automated trading. First, the goal is to reliably convert TradingView signals into orders. Goal of this book. The goal of this book can be summed up in the following sentence. TradingView webhook Python OANDA. Be able to explain this process in your own words and reproduce it in your own environment. Once you've achieved this, change the logic. Change currency pairs. Advanced rules. Everything else is beyond that.